Welcome to Circuit Crafter YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to repair burnt out LED bulb very easily and also at a very low cost. To repair this burnt LED bulb, I purchased LED chip for lamp from AliExpress at a very cheap price. So it costs only 228 rupees. So firstly you need to safely remove this cover. Then you need to remove LED chip or burnt out chip part like this. Finally, you need to remove the circuit part. Like this. Yeah, we removed it. After that, you need to fix new LED chip like this. And also you need to solder two wires like this. Then the other end of these two wires need to be fixed to the new LED chip. මේවා ගැන ඉලෙක්ට්‍රොනික ගැන ලියවිච්ච පොත්පත් කියවලා ඉගෙනගෙන. Let's test the bulb at this stage. Oh, yes, it works. Then add glue and fix new LED chip to the old bulb cover like this. Then add glue and fix new LED chip to the old bulb cover like this. Please subscribe Circuit Craft YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.